Good day, my name is Dele Ayemibo and I'm your export doctor. Today I'll continue the conversation we started in the previous episode on contract, sales contract, purchase order, and what the content should be. I've been talking about different parts of the contract. We've talked about the preamble, we've talked about the purpose of the contract, we talk about the parties on the contract, we talk about the products, and I talk about the product in three different phases. I've talked about pricing, and today I'll be looking at place of production. The section on place of production and import-export contract basically talk about the location where the goods is being manufactured. Now, this section provides the crucial information for both the buyer and the seller. It offers clarity of where the product is coming from, and that's very important. In fact, in some jurisdiction, depending on the kind of agreement that they have or the kind of unilateral law they have promulgated in favor of some countries, like the case of AGOA, African Growth Opportunity of the US, you have countries that just have given some concessions under the global system of preference to some countries. I had this experience firsthand when I was shipping to China some years ago. I wanted to ship sesame seed, and we're having back and forth with the buyer on the pricing. And the buyer said, because I'm shipping, the origin of the good is Nigeria, he cannot give me beyond a particular price. And that if I can get a certificate of origin showing that the product is from Niger, he'll be able to give me a better price. And I said, why? And he said, because in their country, the country give concession to Niger on duty payable when the good arrive in their country. And the duty product coming from Nigeria pay, if it's going to China, is higher than what good coming from Niger we pay. Because that will make his cost of clearing to be lower, he's willing to pay me, give me more, better price if I get a certificate of origin showing that the good is originating from Niger. And this is important because this is very important because the place where the good is originating from, to a very, very large extent, the place where the good is originating from, to a very large extent, influence the duty payable. That's why you need to be clear in your contract what is the place of origin. This can include the detail of the factory, the address of the factory, the facility name, the production facility name, and any other important information relating to the manufacturing process. So the place of production is essential for compliance with custom regulation. It also shows if that country already have prohibition, maybe there is an issue politically, so a number of sometimes political fireworks that business can get caught up inside a political fireworks. When a business gets caught up inside a political fireworks, by fireworks I mean maybe there is an issue between the two countries, and they have decided that a product from this country will be banned, will be prohibited, will increase duty payable. That happened a lot between a lot of countries. Currently a lot happened between US and China on this issue. A number of countries, because some countries monitor goods coming from other countries, the price they are being sold, the quality of the goods, the nature of the goods, and sometimes for political reasons, and sometimes for generating soft power. Different government did this for different reasons. A lot of political reasons for it. So it's important. It helps in custom regulation, import-export law, quality standard. This section of your contract influences factors such as shipment cost also, the lead time for shipment, and even logistic planning. So it's important you know where is the good coming from. It also impacts on the application of preferential trade agreement or tariff based on the origin of the product. The place of production serves as a key reference point in import-export contracts, contributing significantly to transparency, legal compliance, and overall understanding of the supply chain. So you have an idea where the good is coming from, what this cost is going to be, and a number of other nuances around the place of production. And this also influences place of destination. So this particular part of the contract is having the place of production and also the place of destination. Remember, we're discussing the content of your export contract. If this video has been of immense benefit to you, give it a thumbs up. If you have a friend that is about to sign a contract, I need to hear about it, share with your friends. Share with your friends. If you want to join our community, click on subscribe button. You want to know when the next video, I'll be talking about port of loading and port of discharge. You want to know when it's been uploaded, please click on notification bell. And if you have questions for me, drop your question in the comment section. Thank you very much. My name is Mjela Imi, but I'm your export doctor, and I'm signing out.